Okay guys, in this video I want to talk about the benefits of tongue scraping. I don't mean tongue scraping just with your toothbrush, I mean using a little tool like this that you can get for like 99 pence off eBay or whatever, which is like what they use in Ayurvedic medicine to actually scrape the tongue. Like that. You get used to it, trust me. Okay, so the first benefit is when we're actually using the tongue scraper and scraping all that sort of ming off our tongue, we're taking off a lot of bad bacteria and toxins that sit on our tongue. Because we clean our teeth and we clean sort of around our gums and stuff, but we very rarely clean our tongue properly, and that's what the tongue scraper is for. So a lot of bacteria and toxins tend to sort of camp out on our tongue. This can lead to a list of different oral issues. So the first benefit, getting that out of the way, out your body. You're not going to be constantly swallowing in toxins and bacteria, and they're no longer going to be in your mouth. The second reason people use tongue scraping is to eliminate bad breath, because essentially when we're eating food 3 times a day, 4 times a day, a lot of that stuff that we eat, a little bits of it sit on our tongue and actually break down and decompose on our tongue and is still sitting on our tongue. So when we don't clean our tongue, we go days, weeks, months, years with food essentially breaking down and decomposing on our tongue. So if we can get into a daily routine of scraping our tongue every morning before or after we brush our teeth, we are taking off all that decomposed food and all again the bacteria and the toxin. The next main benefit that I noticed personally was I used to always have quite like a sort of white tongue, not like a healthy red looking tongue, and I felt like after doing this the first few times my tongue started to go a lot redder, and a red tongue is a sign of good health and a white tongue is a sign that something is going wrong in your body. So the fact that my tongue has gone a lot more red when I've been using the Ayurvedic practice of tongue scraping, to me points in the direction that it is actually beneficial for my health. Another benefit of tongue scraping is that it actually improves your sense of taste. I haven't massively noticed this because I haven't really been looking out for it, but a lot of people who use it and have talked to me or talked on other videos that I've watched about it when I was thinking about doing it myself, said that it improved their sense of taste. And it does make sense, again, with scraping off loads of old things off our tongue that we don't want there, and different bits and bobs and debris that we just don't want on our tongue, and we're sort of opening up our taste buds to our food, so it makes perfect sense that your taste would be improved. Tongue scraping's also been shown to actually stimulate the digestive system. That's why a lot of people like to use it on a morning before they eat or drink anything. So as you can tell, tongue scraping is clearly beneficial for loads of different things, but mainly our overall oral health. So why not give it a try? Get a 99p tongue scraper if you think any of these benefits sound like something you would like to sort of incorporate into your lifestyle. But most of all, as always, look after yourself, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next health video. Goodbye.